Hi everyone, welcome back to Planet Pearl. I'm a multi-crafter living in Christchurch, New Zealand with my family and our two very much loved dogs. On this channel, I share my love for all things handmade, fiber crafts, slow living and finding a little bit of magic in the mundane. So welcome to my cozy creative corner. Today is a really special day for me because I'm starting an Irish chain quilt class. It's a 3-part series and today is the very beginning. It's the cutting day and I've been looking forward to this so much. Last week I went to Sew & Co and Ingrid helped me choose the most beautiful fabrics for this quilt. I knew I wanted pink gingham. I had that vision in my head and she helped me find the really perfect one. It's this soft pink. It's really cheerful and I fell in love with it straight away as soon as I saw it. And then we chose coordinating fabric because obviously more color the better, right? So I went with this gorgeous teal floral fabric. It has these swiping leafy vines and bold blooms in coral, and then this one has more of a softer golden tones in it. So I thought that it felt really romantic and I do like the pink and teal combination, and so it was a really quick decision actually, because I love color, I love florals, and I love fabrics that make you smile. So this is going to be a single bed quilt and it's going to be really big, I think, and it's going to take time. So I'm really looking forward to finishing this quilt. Really very optimistic at this stage because starting something new and fresh is always so exciting. So like I said, today is going to be cutting day. We're going to be cutting fabric. So I have my rotary cutter, my quilt ruler, and my self-healing mat. It's quite worn, ready to go. And yeah, I always love taking classes because it feels really nice just to step into a space where I don't have to organize anything. I can just show up and learn. And even though I've taken so many classes over the years, I truly believe that there's always a precious little nugget of wisdom to pick up. Sometimes it's a technique, sometimes it's a shortcut, sometimes it's just getting the confidence to do something. And those little nuggets really do make the journey easier. And taking a class is also like nurturing myself, because I've realized when I make space for my creativity, I show up better for my family. I'm calmer, I'm more present, I'm happier. And it's also really fun to learn with other people because there's always fun to share a table with our co-makers, comparing fabrics, seeing what everyone's creativity takes place, seeing everyone's creativity take shape, and you get inspired by each other. So you swap little tips. So there's camaraderie in there. And so today feels like a really exciting new start, like starting something very exciting. It's really exciting for me. And it's a lovely little beginning to creating a much cherished quilt that's handmade by me. So I'll take you along for through the whole series, but today I'll take you along with me for cutting day, cutting fabric day. So today is going to be just cutting fabric, and I have everything I need ready for the class in this bag. This is a tote bag I got from a local place called Maya Studio. But these bags are originally made in India. It's really spacious and nice, and it is like a quilted fabric, perfect for my class. And inside I have all the fabric I need for my class. So I have all my 3 fabric inside. I have my trusty rotary cutter. I might need a new blade for it, but I will get that sorted over there. So I have it in this little pocket that is inside the bag. And then I have my trusty quilt ruler, and it has the 1/2 inch markings, and it is 6 by 18, so that's perfect. And then I have a self-healing mat as well. I think this is both centimeters and inches. I'm not sure if it is that, but it is 12 inch by 18 inch. So that's perfect as well. And they all fit in, and they all fit in very compactly into this bag. So I'm going to be taking this bag with me to class. And oh, there's a pin sticking out from this bag. Oh no. That's not good now, is it? But anyway, so that's what I have in my bag, ready to go for my class. So I'm all ready to go now. It's a beautiful sunny day, so I'm really looking forward to having a lovely class today. All right, I'm back from class. We made it just in time. The traffic was so tight because everyone was out enjoying the sunshine. You know those Christchurch days where the weather is beautiful and suddenly the whole city decides to leave the house at the same time? It was one of those days, but we made it in time. And honestly, what a bunch of lovely ladies. Everyone was so friendly and kind. I always enjoy walking into a room full of makers. There's no awkwardness. There's this excitement that we're all going to learn together, and there's their fabric choices and all of that. And our teacher, Ingrid, she was just amazing, so calm, so patient, chill, and she has this steady energy that kind of settles the whole room and put everyone in a good place. There was no pressure, just gentle guidance, which was really amazing. And it was really wonderful to see everyone's fabric choices. I think that was one of my favorite parts of noticing everybody's fabrics and, seeing how different it is going to be, even though we are all making the same pattern. And one of the ladies is doing a reverse color version. She's using dark fabrics where the light fabrics are meant to go, and light where dark are meant to go. And I think that's going to look so striking. And I think she's making it like a wall hanging as well, and it's going to be really interesting to see how that turns out over the next few weeks, I guess. Today was mostly about learning to cut the fabric properly, how to precisely lay out the fabric, how to do it easily, and lining everything up carefully. And so we practiced cutting strips and squares and just getting comfortable with the process. I have to say I got a new rotary cutter, not a new rotary cutter, a new rotary cutting blade, and oh my goodness, I think it made all the difference. And I didn't realize how much I'd been struggling with my old one, and the new blade just glided through the fabric so smoothly. It was actually very satisfying. And I also bought a new healing mat. The one I had at home is very well loud, but by well loud I mean it has quite a dent, with all the constant cutting in the same spot, and it was definitely time to replace it, although I really didn't want to, but I think these little upgrades make such a difference. You know, a fresh mat and a sharp blade, and it makes the whole process a whole lot easier, and I think more enjoyable. And now we all have homework, which is to cut all the necessary fabric before the next class, and so I'll be spending quite some time measuring and cutting, and like they say, measure twice, cut once. And so that's what I'll be doing, and honestly I'm really looking forward to cutting it. I think I've said this before, but I find cutting fabric strangely therapeutic, and it also feels really nice to be learning something new, to be part of this new little group, and to have a project that is slowly getting made. You know, there's no rush. It's just a slow and steady process. And so that was cutting day. And next month, 4 weeks from now, we'll start doing the piecing. And I can't wait to see the whole quilt come together. So yeah, that's pretty much my day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you. Bye.